Drake Beats.
Welcome back. Good afternoon, good morning, or whatever it may be, my fellow YouTubers. Today we're going to be working on the car today, getting it tore down, taking the motor out, getting as much done to the car as possible. My intentions are to take the motor out today, but at the same time, things happen, so we're just going to go with the flow and don't make plans and just go with the flow. So I did receive a package today, and today is Saturday, from UPS, which is kind of weird. And I mean, I work for them and everything, but I didn't know they deliver packages on Saturday. I know they deliver certain packages on Saturday, but not like packages on Saturday. So I got a package that was delivered today. I did order some stuff. Like I said, it's just like stuff is just showing up sporadically, like I said in previous videos. And it's just crazy that I'm still getting stuff coming in, and I gave up on tracking them because at the same time it was like disappointing. So therefore, I just said screw it, just let it come in when it come in. So this just came in, and I will open it on camera and stuff like that. Then after opening on camera, I'm going to see if it works, and then we're going to go from there. But let me go ahead and pause this real quick, and I'll come right back when I get the package and we'll open it on camera. Now I have the package in my hand. I guess we're going to go ahead and get this open real quick. I'm going to go ahead and grab my handy dandy knife-o, if I can find it. I keep losing my freaking knife-o. Well, maybe I can just open it by hand. This looks like one of those easy packages to open. So we're going to open that real quick. I'm going to set you right here. Set you right there so you can see. Hopefully you can see this package. We're going to open it. Oh yeah, it was easy. It's easy open. Easy open. Easy open. Easy. Don't let the bubbles fool you. Alright. Alright guys. I ordered one of these tools a while back because I was having issues with my harmonic balancer. So I bought a harmonic balancer socket. So let's see when I open this, because I was using my 19 before, but it didn't have that oomph to it. So I bought this bad boy. Like I said, hopefully it works. It does its job. It lives to its name. It's a little bit heavier. It got, it's pretty stout. It tells you warning, protect your eyes and stuff like that. So hopefully this works. It was recommended, from a lot of things and stuff like that. So let's give this a test real quick. I want to test it. Simple fact is I want to test this. So I'm going to put this right here. Grab you guys. And I'm gonna trip over the freaking engine hoist. My engine hoist. And put this right here, put this right here, and I just want to test this. So if it gets noisy, I'll try to mute this out or something to where you can't hear it, because I really want to see if this works. See if you get what you pay for and stuff like that. So see if the big hype is what it is about this tool and stuff like that. See if it helps. But like I said, it's pretty heavy. It weighs at least a good 3 to 4 pounds. I mean, it's pretty stout. So I'm going ahead and put you right here. And like I said, sorry about the noise, and we'll see if this takes this off. And if it gets loud, like I said, I'll try to fix it in the video. I just want to take this one off because I have one more that I put in the car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, it came off. Man, it's freaking amazing. I'll make sure I don't lose this tool, man. It took, a couple little pushes of the trigger, and they said you had to have a good compressor. I guess my compressor is up to par. So, wow, it just took this off. So, I get to see what I need to see. So, enough with that. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. I would just want to see if that tool worked and stuff like that. And then I'm going to work on the main project over here. My main project is trying to get all the stuff off this one, get it ready, and get it ready. So that means like taking out all the stuff in the ball joints and taking all this stuff off on both sides, and then taking some stuff off so I can get ready to take the motor out, get it ready, and get it ready for what I'm going to do with that, and hopefully figure out what was wrong with it, and go ahead and get the setup and everything set up for what I'm planning on doing for further videos. And should I say further, not further videos, but further this project, because like I said, I have a lot of plans and stuff like that. I want to do things I'm just not going to say. I did say in previous videos, if you watch my previous videos, I did say what I plan on doing, but at the same time, I want to get this done first, get the motor out of here, clean up some stuff, and then just slowly work that way. So enough of me rambling and talking and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and put this down. I'm going to put the GoPro in a case, and we're going to go ahead and get this vlog banging today. I believe I got everything loose. From what you saw earlier, I did do some stuff off camera, not intentionally, but I did some stuff off camera. I am going to go ahead and make sure everything is copacetic and it looks ready for me to take out. And then before I do anything, I'm gonna get my stuff moved and then get my engine hoist over here and see if I can get this motor out. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna do it now. I got it, like I said, I just want to make sure everything's set up to take out. I did, button up some things. I'm gonna let you see. I did take some stuff and do it real quick on that behalf. I did, do all the stuff off camera. So this is pretty much ready, almost ready to go. Like I said, I did take stuff off, and I am trying to figure out how to do a delete on everything that I'm not going to be using, like my cruise control. I'm not going to be using that because I'm finna delete some stuff on that. I'm just trying to figure out what all I can delete right now that I'm not going to use. AC, I'm going to delete the AC because the simple fact is this one, the AC is not charged. So, and at the same time, I don't know if how I'm gonna do that. I might do some vents or something like that so I can keep the AC, have air coming through. I do have some roof, I do have electric windows, so that's a plus. I have rode in a car before that didn't have AC, so I know how it is and stuff like that. But at the same time, if the wind's blowing and you're going a certain miles an hour or whatever, you should be okay. You should be cool. As long as you're not wearing black, you should be okay. So let me stop rambling. I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here, and I will pick up after I get everything moved and get the engine hoist ready to hoist the motor up in the air and take it out of the car. All right, I'm so sorry, guys. I got so ahead of myself. I just forgot, had the camera set up, didn't push record. I thought I did. The motor is out. I'm sorry. Like I said, the motor is out. I am leaking coolant everywhere, even though I drained all the coolant and stuff like that. If it wasn't for my son coming to help me out just for that last little bit, I wouldn't have got it out. But at the same time, he didn't recognize it and I didn't recognize that the camera wasn't on. So unfortunately, guys, like I said, the motor is out. It's an empty bay. It's empty. The motor is there. There's the motor stand and all that good stuff. But at the same time, like I said, I am so sorry that, shoot. I'm so sorry. God, look, I need to learn how to do this. Can't do this right. But I am so sorry. Like I said, it's already out. And I will be recording all the stuff when I get ready to do this setup. And probably try to figure out how to do a wire tuck. And all that good jazz. Yeah, all that good jazz. But like I said, if it wasn't for this guy, that guy, it wasn't for that guy, I wouldn't have got it all the way out. And I wouldn't have got it in the garage. Now I got to figure out where I'm going to put this in the garage. So with that being said, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good jazz, whatever you want to call it. And we'll see you guys on the next one.